Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum.
Dear students, today we will learn to read and write letter B. प्यारे बच्चों, आज हम letter B का पढ़ना और लिखना सीखेंगे. So trace your finger on letter B. Letter B पर उंगली फेरें.
Bravo.
Shabash. The sound of letter B is B. 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 Letter B की आवाज है B. 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 Now trace letter B with a pencil. Letter B पर पेंसिल फेरें. Now we will read keywords from letter B. अब हम letter B से बनने वाले अल्फाज पढ़ेंगे. B. Banana. B. Butterfly. B. Boy. B. Ball. B. Banana. B. Butterfly. B. Boy. B. Ball. Now color these pictures. इन तस्वीरों में रंग भरें. Let's read together. आओ मिलकर पढ़ें. B letter, ball, ball, ball.
B letter, ball, ball, ball.
B letter, do not fall.
B letter, do not fall.
Circle letter B in the given letters. इन letters में B के गिर्द दायरा लगाएं. Connect butterfly to the flower. Connect ball to the bat. Connect geometry box to the pencil.
बहुत खूब.
Now we will read letter story. अब हम हर्फ कहानी पढ़ेंगे. Babar and Bashir were brothers. It was Sunday morning and they decided to go for a walk. They walked and after that they played with a ball. Finally, they got very tired and hungry. Babar took out the banana from the bag and shared it with his brother. Dear teachers, introduce letter B in circle time with letter story and phonic song. Talk about health benefits of eating banana. Also give the concept of sharing. For example, sharing is caring. Game. Letter sorting activity with children through A to B letters. For example, cutouts, flashcards and shoebox. Teach vocabulary as sight words. Repeat the words bag, banana, ball, boy, balloon, butterfly and bat. Ask children what other things start with letter B.